Hey everyone, I am Erica and welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. I am so excited you are here today because we are talking about a toaster that is about to change how you make breakfast, the BALMUDA Toaster. If you are tired of dry bread that tastes like cardboard or toasters that burn one side and leave the other cold, this one is your easy way to perfect toast that stays soft inside and crisp outside. Picture popping in bread and getting it just right every time with steam that keeps it fresh, perfect for busy mornings, coffee lovers, or anyone who wants simple, tasty starts to the day. No more soggy or burnt slices. This toaster makes toasting fun, fast, and flavorful. Stick around because by the end of this, you will see why the BALMUDA Toaster is a must for breakfast fans and home cooks. And hey, if you grab it through the link in the description, you support the channel at no extra cost to you, plus you get the best deal on Amazon. All right, let us dive into the features of this toast maker. The BALMUDA Toaster has a 4-slice capacity with a steam chamber that adds moisture to keep bread soft while browning the outside, with 5 modes like toast, sandwich, artisan, bagel, and pastry for different breads. It uses 1200 watts to heat up in less than 2 minutes, and the digital display sets time and mode with one touch. The inside has steam vents and a water tank that fills easily, and the outside is white plastic with black accents, measuring 12 inches wide, 11 inches deep, 12 inches tall, and weighing about 10 pounds for light counter use. It has a crumb tray that pulls out for cleaning up, and it comes with a measuring cup for water and a recipe guide. It has a 1-year warranty and runs on standard 120 volts. Price is around $200. A good buy for the steam tech that makes toast better. Okay, now for the real scoop, pros and cons. After toasting everything from white bread to croissants, pros first. Number 1, the steam keeps the inside soft while the outside is crisp, so toast tastes fresh from the bakery. Number 2, 5 modes fit different breads like bagels or pastries without burning. Number 3, it heats fast and toasts even on both sides. Number 4, the crumb tray and easy wipe clean mean less mess. Number 5, it is quiet and small enough for most counters. Number 6, the recipe guide gives ideas for jams or fillings. Number 7, it looks modern and fits any kitchen style. Number 8, the water tank is simple to fill and use. Number 9, it holds 4 slices for family breakfast. Number 10, warranty for first year. Now cons because balance is key. 1, the $200 price is higher than basic toasters. 2, it takes a minute to add water for steam mode. 3, 10 pounds is light, but the cord is short. 4, the plastic outside can show fingerprints. 5, no bagel button for split bagels. 6, 1-year warranty is standard but not long. 7, it needs space for the steam to work best. 8, the display is small for older eyes. 9, no auto shut off if left on. 10, best for bread, not thick sandwiches. But here's the truth, the pros make it a winner for most. If you toast a few times a week and want bread that tastes fresh and soft, this fits perfectly. Not for super low budgets or huge sandwiches, but for better toast, it is a yes. So my recommendation, get the BALMUDA Toaster today. It makes breakfast special. Click that referral link in the description to get it on Amazon with the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Your mornings will thank you. Before we wrap, hit subscribe for more kitchen tips and click the link to support us. What is your favorite toast topping? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching. You rock. If this helped, like, share, or subscribe for more. See you next time.